Do you think that you can do more for others when you're rich or when you're broke? Hi, I'm Keith Weinhold. Can you do more for others when you're rich or when you're broke? I'm not talking about sharing your love or your heart or your hugs. You can and you should do those things with or without money. The problem is, as wonderful as love and heart and hugs are, they just don't purchase food or homes or education or medicine or pay utility bills. I hope you can agree that you can do more for others when you have the means to do so than when you're broke and can barely support yourself. Being broke does not win you any awards. Barely making a living is not a badge of honor either. These things don't add to your community or your family or to the less fortunate. Your money struggles won't serve anyone. But when you're financially successful, you can pick and choose the people and the organizations where you want to make a difference. Now you can truly impact the quality of people's lives. And just as important, you can also support yourself and your lifestyle and your family. A rich person digs for gold, and a poor person is concerned with the cost of a shovel. You've got to do something different than everyone else, and the opinions of everyone else don't pay your bills either. So stop living below your means and start expanding your means. And some people say, I'd rather be happy than rich. Well, why not be both when both are within your reach? You owe it to yourself and those that you love. I'm Keith Weinhold. You can learn more about how I can help you build your wealth at GetRichEducation.com and with the Get Rich Education podcast and app. Thanks for stopping by.